What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope everybody's doing well. We're gonna go over Bitcoin. Some interesting news with a stablecoin death cross. So currently we're sitting at 23.2, 23.3K, up 0.2 on the day. See market cap up 446 billion. 24-hour volume 22.07 billion. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to Bybit, sign up, grab up to 30K in bonuses, or Bitget up to 8K in bonuses. Bitget's where I do the majority of my trading. Sign up through my links in the comments. You can check out my full length tutorials, and I will give you completely free access to over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto in my Discord. All right, gang. So here's the news. Stablecoin circulating supply moving averages close to a death cross. So here's a chart that shows the trend in the stablecoin circulating supply, the 21-day and 100-day moving averages, as well as the Bitcoin price over the past year. So you can see right here, when we had the death cross, it led to continuation to the downside. We had the bullish cross. We saw a nice pump, and we're about to print the death cross once again. So if we scroll down to the bottom here, the 21-day MA is now once again near the 100-day moving average and is at risk of forming another death cross. If the circulating supply of stablecoins does not increase further, I think the crypto market will enter a bear market again, cautions the analyst. So whether you think, I don't think we're out of a bear market, but basically what he's saying is he thinks the downtrend will continue if we do see that death cross, just as we did when Bitcoin was at about 45K. We saw that death cross and we saw a large drop. We're about to print it once again. So this could be an early indication that we will see a dump. Now we do have the FOMC meeting at 2 p.m. Eastern time. The announcement will be made. So what I think is going to happen here is you're going to see a small pump to the upside. People will get excited. The news will come out and will dump. That's what I'm predicting. Anything can happen. Previously, we were looking at potential ABC correction, but this does not look like a three-wave move to me. So I think it's more likely that this is a wave 2 pullback. And what you're going to do here is you're coming down in a wave 1. This is a wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5 to complete a wave A, pull back in a wave B, and then come down for a final wave C, as this is a pretty significant 5-wave move to the upside. So we may see a deeper retracement into this wave 4, because as you can see here, or sorry, a 3-wave move to the upside, where we came up in a wave 1. This was a wave 2 pullback, which is here in white. We pushed up in a wave 3. So now I think we're going through a wave 4, but I think we're still just putting in the wave A of the wave 4 pullback. So what we could be looking at if we zoom in here is that we pushed up in a WXY. So we came up in a wave W. This could be your wave X, and then you'd look to push up in a wave Y. So do watch for that. The rejection zone for a wave 2 is in between 23.2K and 23.6K before seeing continuation to the downside. Currently, we're in 2 trades, which I gave signals for in the Discord. That's available at $10 per month, and it's a new month. So if you sign up today, then you don't pay again till the beginning of the month. But if you sign up later in the month, you pay when you sign up and also at the beginning of the month. But it's completely optional, all right, guys? But this is what I think is the likely scenario. Going into the FOMC meeting, we're still pushing up into that resistance. Money continues to flow out. So if we do see that death cross with the stable coins, that could also be an indication we are going to see one of those larger pullbacks. As I've been mentioning, I've been comparing this to the bear market of 2015, and let's see how many days now, because it was 460 days in 2015, and we're sitting at about 447 days. Let me try to zoom in on this and get it right on the money. Yeah, it was right on the money. 447 days. And it was 460 days in the previous 2015 bear market, where we pushed up into that resistance, 460 days, and then we saw a large pullback. So very, very eerie, very close to 2015. Will we see a repeat and see a large pullback? I definitely think it's possible. We'll have to see how everything plays out. I think that's it for this little update. What I'm looking for potentially is a small push to the upside in a wave Y. Kind of trick the bulls a little bit and think we're going to see a pump to the upside. The FOMC news comes out, and then we see a dump. Of course, if the FOMC announcement is positive, then you could potentially see bounce to the upside. but I don't think it would sustain. I don't think we're going to break that high. I think there's a high likelihood we are going to see continuation down and at least a wave 4 pullback. And right now we're putting in a 1-2, looking to come down in a wave 3, 4, 5, just to complete this wave A right here. And then you'd see a wave B and a final wave C to take you to this wave 4 pullback zone. All right, gang, make sure to sign up to either Bitget or Bybit. Grab those bonuses. Email me your sign up email. It takes 2 minutes. Free access to over 2,000 members, posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto at the 10 USD membership, early access to my analysis, trade signals, crypto news. The member profits, they like to post their trades in here. As you can see, he made a nice, what do you say, easy $805 scalp. So he said, thanks, Jax. He shorted Matic for a 45% profit. So some of these guys, they like to take my trades, or they post their own trades, and they like to show their profits in here as well. And all of that is coming in at 10 USD per month. Same price as a Big Mac meal, Netflix subscription. You really can't beat it. Sign up to the Patreon link. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. I always forget to ask. And I'll see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.